Hello. So I recently went to my local stationery store and picked up some materials to try out. These are from the Zebra brand Mildliners, and I've been using these pretty much every day for the last few months, and I quite enjoy them. And these are actually brush pens, so I'm really excited about these. I also got some calligraphy pens. They are also from the brand Zebra. For context, this is what I'm currently using. One is from Sakura, and the other one is a no-name brand. I don't actually know what brand this is from, but it's one of those calligraphy practice pens, and it looks very similar to this one, except this one's a little bit fatter. These are more similar to the, what are those kind of called? The tongue ones, I think, the Fude Kodu or whatever. They're hard, so it's not really a soft tip. Okay, let's try out these. These pens were really cheap, I remember. They were like $5 for a pack of 3. Okay, I like the tip. Not bad. These are the 3 warmer tones. These look more like the traditional highlighters, whereas these look, I would say, more muted and have a little bit more gray, or can be used as shadows, I guess. These colors look prettier.